What's going on here?
The people are arriving for the surprise film.
What's the surprise film?
I can't tell you that. It's a surprise.
Can I come see it?
Yes. Well, join the queue, please. Hello, this way, please, to the film.
No.
Hi. Film is this way. Hello, the film is this way. Hello. Enjoy the film. You go down there. Hello. Oh, there's a ticket for you.
Oh,
Here you-
3 tickets, please.
You don't need to pay,
Wow.
but you do need to do something else for us.
What's that?
You have one more delivery for us.
Ah, yes. The secret film. Wait, here. Oh. The film! It's fine. Wrap it around like this.
What's going on here?
The film. The film.
No, 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 Joe. That's much too big for our projector.
Oh. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, There you go.
Perfect. I'll start the film. Let's go.
Let's go, Lucy. Come on.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you sit there in the middle. Okay.
Hi. Hello, everyone.
Deliveries.
Wait here.
This way. Keep on my way.
Dizzy, Dazzy, Dazzy.